Hey guys, it's Stagiaire. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually really excited because we are going to be starting a new series on my channel, and that series is going to be called Late to the Party. And I'm sure like you're confused, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys. So basically by late to the party, I mean late to the trend or whatever. So basically I'm going to be trying out older trends that I've never tried before, or just like older type trends. So for example, in today's video I'm going to be trying out the glossy eye trend. So obviously you guys are like, that's not a newer trend. I mean, people still do it, but it was more popular like a few years back. So by late to the party, that's what I mean. I mean like trying older trends that I may be later to the bandwagon on, if that makes sense. So if you guys want to see me try out the glossy eye trend, and if you're excited for this new series on my channel, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm excited. By the way, I know I said I did my nails in my last video. I was like cleaning aggressively and it was like hitting everything and they were like breaking, so I took them off, but I am going to redo them. So yeah, my hands look like ugly again, but we're redoing them. So I never tried out the glossy eye trend before, so I'm excited, but I'm also nervous because I never did it before. So I'm just gonna start off by first, I was looking at like pictures of glossy eyes and stuff, well, like I've always seen them and stuff, and I really like the way it looks with two things. So I like the browns and the caramels. I think that looks really pretty, and I also like pastel colors with this trend. So I think I'm going to be going the pastel. But so first we're gonna prime my eyes. Okay, and then after the concealer, I'm gonna put on powder just because like with the glossy eye, I'm gonna be putting gloss on top of my eyelids. So I kind of want to like set it after every, like I might do the eyeshadow and then set it with a little bit of translucent powder or something, because I'm just scared that it's gonna like crease. I mean, I know obviously it'll crease eventually. Like I'm pretty sure this isn't a look that you're supposed to wear for long periods of time, but I'm nervous that it'll literally crease before I even get to like do an outro or anything. So now I'm quickly just going to do like a little pastel type purple smoky eye. So I'm just gonna do that quickly because it's not really part of the video, but if I don't like do it kind of on camera, this video will literally be like 10 seconds long, which it's still probably gonna be short, but it is what it is. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I finished my eyes. I also put on lashes just because I feel like it would be hard to put on lashes after the fact. So I'm just gonna kind of put the lashes down a little bit. So I'm gonna take this lip gloss, which is like this ultra, I'll rate it Broadway Ultra Lip Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. I don't know how good this is gonna work. I put eyeshadow on my hand and I put this on it and this one was removing the eyeshadow a little bit more than this one, so I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm just gonna put some on this big flat brush, and I'm just gonna basically I'm trying to think how high up I want to go. Cool. That looks so good. I hope it's like in focus. Doesn't that look good? Do you guys see that? I feel like this video is going to be very, very short. Okay, so this is a finished look. I feel like it's so cute. I really, really like this. I feel like it would be perfect for like a photo shoot or like runway, but like look how like cute it looks. Okay, you know what? Every time I see this trend, I was like it's cute, but like wouldn't it be irritating? Like it really doesn't feel all that sticky, like at all. Should I put gloss on my lips just to match the whole vibe? Let's do it. Okay, I love this. This is my new go-to look. If you see me just going to the grocery store with a glossy eye, mind your business. Period. I love this so much. I definitely recommend you guys try this out. I feel like it's just so cute. It makes you feel so like editorial. That's the word I was looking for. It makes you feel very editorial, like runway, photo shoot, fashion. I don't know, I just love it so much, especially like the way that like that light is hitting it. Period. Okay, so episode 1 of my late to the party series is done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have so many different series on this channel, so if you want to check out my series, is it series or series? If you want to check out all the different type of series that I have on my channel, then you can go to my channel, then click on playlist, and then I have like a playlist of like get ready with me's, tutorials. This will be a playlist. I mean, this is the first video, but late to the party playlist. I also have a recreate with me series. I also have a how I would do my makeup in blah 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 series. I just have so many series. I have if you like watching like Halloween type videos, I have a spook tutorial series. Like, listen, we got something for everyone, babes. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this series. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, I usually don't post series like every time that I upload, but I will go like back and forth doing several other series. And like I said, if you want to see all of one series, they're in like a little playlist all for you guys, so you don't have to like click around on YouTube and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, please try this out because it makes you feel so fierce. It makes you feel so like editorial, like what's that? I love it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Please watch another video. Yeah. Follow me on all my socials, all that good stuff down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.